Okay, YouTube, so what I'm doing is I have a model train set and I have a thing that generates train sounds, and I use these things everywhere. But I wanted to just make a quick video and show you how to go into the milliseconds for anybody that cares. I had to do this with a bell, a ship bell. You know, ding, ding. I have an actuator that I ran through a wall. Long story short, it took me a while to figure it out and I didn't want to research it, so I figured I'd make a video. 16 in your book is unlimited loop. So T1 for how many seconds, T2 for how many seconds, but I want half a second and then 1 second. So anyways, that's none of your concern on there, but so half a second, ding, or and then off. Because the module I have is actually, I wanted to go it just makes that sound. If you just leave it on, it's so I want it just on briefly. So that's 1 second. 100 is 1 second. 50 is half a second. Okay. And then the kicker in this is the NX. NX standard comes 101. Put it to 0 all across the board, and this is how it functions. So now, when I give it a 12-volt signal, oh, YouTube, I just wanted to show you what this was, what my little purpose of this is. This is the original, yeah, I used like a bunch of tape, whatever. It's the original sound for this Bachmann train going in the front yard, but I don't want to use a 9-volt battery all the time. So, it's going to run, the train station that I built has a radio, and I'm using a car stereo, and this is going to run off of, this is the track power supply, which will give this module 12 volts, and then it's actually 9 or 10 volts or whatever at the track itself, so that's what's going to power this. I got a loose wire right here. I'm sure you heard that, but anyways, it clearly works, so enjoy.